Okay, welcome back to my video. So in this video we're gonna talk about giving this board the color and texture so it we can make it to be more presentable to people and make it looks much more better than the basic one. So we already have this model, right? Sometimes I like to edit the appearance in just design modes, or maybe we could switch to the render options right here. It's take a while. Sometimes you can move straight forward to the render options and then click the appearance. So we can pick the material that you wanted here. In case we need to first give texture to the handle, maybe. So we should uh, know what kind of Inosuke is for. Takes a while. Sorry. Yeah, so let's assume that it has white color. So just type right here. Sorry, white. So we have a lot of material here like ABS, acetyl resin, fabrics, and some paint. I'm gonna take some nylon here. So there it is. You got white handle now. Now let's see the reference, okay? See, click image. That's my internet connection is not really good. My Microsoft Edge is not really good. So sorry for that. So it just basically right. The sword has white handle because it has like a wrap in it, but we ain't gonna make a wrap because yes, take a long time to draw. Just like this. You can see that. So we're gonna give the texture to the handle only and the steel. Okay. So it's not only can be done in the render, you can also did this in the design options. Yeah, it still looks pretty good, but yeah, it takes less performance for your laptop, so it's not slow. Make it your laptop slow in case you didn't have a really good laptop just like me. It's the basic one. So let's click the body. Okay, let's right click to the body right here. Click it and click appearance, or you just type A. But sometimes I don't remember that I could do that. So we have this sword because we really wanted to make the body in a different color. We should click these options, face, and then we type some material that you wanted. In this case, I wanted to use metallic. Okay, so we got the options. I'm gonna give metallic silver to these faces. So let's give it. It's kind of, I want to do this. So it's kind of hard. Okay, as you can see, it's different from the rest of the body, and we apply it to the another face that we wanted to make it silver as well. It's like this. It's pretty easy. Okay, just like that. Just like that. Okay. Now the other side. Okay. It's just like painting in Corel Draw, best but make it 3D. It's quite fun, I guess. So it's done with the sharp side. Let's see the render. Now we got silver sharp side. But the thing is, I wanted to make the other side, the non-sharp sides, to be looks more glossy. So we're gonna try to apply other material there. Just go to the body, appearance, or you just type A. It's much more simple, but I'm not really used to it. So we're gonna need to apply maybe gray. I don't know what's the color. I'm not really remember. It's kind of gray, right? But sometimes it looks like black, sometimes it looks like gray. But I'm gonna use dark gray maybe. Gray. So use this metallic dark gray, and I'm gonna apply that to his face. Wait a minute. So it's gray. Metallic one should take on the face first, and then wait, one stick face and always get the body. Maybe I just click here and repeat appearance. Okay, gray, metallic gray. I'm gonna apply here. Okay, that's work. Okay. Okay. The render. This is the dark gray with the metallic one, and this is the one with not. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to click the generative design options. Okay. So now we are painting this with maybe silver one. Just gonna click this face and A. Okay. And then just looking for silver material. Okay, I'm gonna pick this silver polished material to apply in this face. Click it first to make it easier to drag. Like this. applying this page here. And we're done. We got all color that we want and the material, of course. And let's move to the render options. And we see our sword here. This is a really basic tutorial, so I hope you didn't have really high expectation. This is all I can do. So yeah, thank you for watching. So here is your Inosuke sword, the Fusion 360. Let's try render it in canvas render like this. Because it will retard the process, so you should really want to moving the angle and in canvas, because I use in canvas render setting, so and then when it's